This is our lesson number 75 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube video channel. Now we are starting the part 4 of the heated sapphire inclusions. The topic is heated sapphire inclusions. So heated sapphire revelations, unveiling the transformation of inclusions. Twice a month, every Saturday 5 p.m. I will upload a lesson, new lesson. This is number 75. Altogether, there are 200 lessons included. So watch every 2 weeks. I will upload once. So follow up the lesson order properly and write a note and take pictures, take printouts and keep it with the lesson number written. We are moving to inside. This is a yellow and blue growth zoning inside the heated stone. We can see this cover photo inside the lesson. The first one here. It is a molten snowball. Snowball-like. It is like snowball crystal is surrounded by a fingerprint. Look at this fingerprint. Many small bubbles are there with the sign of heat alterations inside the bubbles. So this inclusion is commonly found in heated Sri Lankan sapphires. So remember, this lighting condition here is dark field illumination. Sri Lankan blue sapphire, heated blue sapphire. So remember this. We are moving to next. The same thing like, but the lighting condition is difference. Diffuse oblique fiber optic. Diffuse oblique. The molten crystal is there. It is surrounded by unusual bronze. Bronze means copper, tin. The name of the metal. I am telling now the name of the metal. The symbols are mentioned here. Copper, Cu means copper. Sn tin, Al aluminium, As arsenic, Mn manganese, P phosphorus, Si silicon. The copper, tin, aluminium, arsenic, manganese, phosphorus and silicon means bronze. This bronze discoids show like glassy surface. It is like glassy discoid. So the bronze glassy discoid like this gives the evidence regarding the heating. This shiny glassy appearance provides the evidence that the stone was heated. It is Sri Lankan blue sapphire heated under the diffuse oblique light. We are moving to next. Look at this. The lighting condition here is dark field plus oblique fiber optic. There are two lighting conditions together. This is also a heated inclusion, natural Sri Lanka stone, Sri Lankan heated stone. Look at the things here. Melted crystals with frosted surface. Frosted surface, you can see, surrounded by thermally altered fingerprints. This fingerprint is inside the fingerprint. Everything is altered by heat. Here also. So, note the hexagonal summary. See the hexagonal summary of the fingerprint indicating that it is located in the basal supporting plane. Note the hexagonal summary, symmetry, hexagonal symmetry, not the summary, hexagonal symmetry of the fingerprint indicating it is located in the basal plane. Right, we are moving to next. Look at this. The lighting condition here is dark field only. Sri Lankan sapphire, heated sapphire. A thermally altered fingerprint in a heat-treated sapphire from Sri Lanka. See, the inclusions are altered by the heat. Note the small microfractures. You can see the microfractures and discoids. Lot of discoids are here that result from the rupture of the single negative crystal channel that make up the fingerprint. All are damaged. So it gives us the evidence it is heated stone. Shall we move? Here, another one. Look at the color difference is also here. The lighting condition here is oblique, fiber optic oblique. The yellow core of this Sri Lankan gem fluoresces orange. This is yellow core. It fluoresces orange when illuminated with a powerful fiber optic light. This color shows us it is heated. We are moving to next. Here lighting condition here is light field plus fiber optic oblique. Light field plus fiber optic oblique. There are two. It is heated Sri Lankan natural sapphire. Heated sapphire. Look at the crop circles. You can see the crop circles in heated sapphires from Sri Lanka. These kind of crop circles gives, sometimes it is beryllium heated or heated. Beryllium heated one also gives this inclusions. These types of inclusions are associated with, but are not limited to beryllium. It gives the heated sapphires only, always. Heated and beryllium treated sapphires both gives these crop circles. Remember this. Here, the lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted light. Another Sri Lankan stone, heated sapphire. The heat treated sapphire from Sri Lanka has a crystal-like heat-altered snowball. Crystals like heat-altered snowballs, you can see. When viewed in transmitted light, we can see this. So it gives us the evidence of heated evidence of heat. Now we are moving to next. It gives yellow and blue growth zoning in heat-treated bicolor sapphire from Sri Lanka. The lighting condition here is oblique fiber optic. Bicolor sapphire from Sri Lanka gives yellow and blue growth zoning. You can see the yellow and blue growth zoning. Here, yellow, blue. It gives us the evidence it is heated sapphire. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe, give like and share. Share to all our youth. Here, lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. Another stone, heated stone from Sri Lanka, blue sapphire. See this fingerprint. All the fingerprint negative crystals are modified by the heat. Can you see properly? We can see the heat in the heat modified fingerprint of Sri Lankan sapphire causes small microfractures due to the rupture of negative crystals. Rupture means blowing. So see the difference, natural and the heated stones difference. We are moving to next. Heat altered fingerprint. It's also fingerprint of Sri Lankan sapphire chamber. Heating creates tiny microfractures. See, it creates tiny microfractures as the negative crystals explode. The lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted. Here, fiber optic transmitted lighting condition. The same thing, you can see the difference. Heat in the heat modified fingerprint of Sri Lankan sapphire causes tiny microfractures due to the explosion of negative crystals. So it gives the evidence to heat treatment. Here, look at the inclusions here. Watch carefully. Small heat altered feathers. Small feathers, all the feathers are heat altered beneath the surface of heat treated Sri Lankan sapphire. The lighting condition is fiber optic transmitted light. It is heated stone. Here, the lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. Look at this. The yellow color zones, these are the yellow color zones in this blue sapphire. Yellow color zones of heat treated sapphires from Sri Lanka fluoresce red when illuminated with the fiber optic light source. The yellow color area gives red fluoresce. So it gives the sharp evidence regarding the heat treatment. We are moving to next. Here you can see the fingerprint here. Lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique, heated stone. It is heart-like. Shape is like heart. Inside the heart there is a small crystal. It is melted crystal. We can see it is melted. The crystal is changed by the heat. The broken heart, a melted crystal and a melted fingerprint. This fingerprint also melted. Adorn the interior of this heat treatment sapphire from Sarandip. Sarandip means Sri Lanka. We are meeting on next lesson number 75, capital L space 75. It is part 5, heated stones. We are meeting on next. You better subscribe and give share to our youth. We are meeting on next part 5, lesson number 75.